During the RollerCoin review, you will learn that RollerCoin crypto games are online digital Bitcoin mining games and have an old office computer game look because of pixelated gaming features. Here you get a chance to face off the rivals, earn real Bitcoins during an online game, and earn money by using a few tips. It works on the idea of a mining simulation game. Still, instead of the revolutionary blockchain and algorithm pattern, RollerCoin gives you a place to try out your skills in completing missions, participating in tasks, and playing games to create a history in the RollerCoin world. In short, RollerCoin tries to cater to a platform full of fun and excitement without any difficulties. It is one of the quick games that offer to create and boost your mining that is incorporated with data centers, customize and improve your mining power and face of your friends. The main target of RollerCoin is to provide an exciting and fun-loving environment to its players without evolving many terms and conditions. Welcome to this Crypto Wealth channel. Watch the full video to learn more about RollerCoin. What is RollerCoin? RollerCoin is a free mining simulation game where you can play by yourself or with friends and still earn some money. Several questions have come to our attention concerning this crypto-based game. RollerCoin is a crypto game where you get paid in cryptocurrency. This might actually sound bogus, but RollerCoin is legit. That's what this crypto game offers, and all you have to do is make a character and play the game. In RollerCoin, you can upgrade your characters, go on adventures, play against others and earn clean Satoshi. You can also withdraw the money or invest it back in the game, whichever you might prefer. Here we'll be giving you some guides, tips, and tricks that can be of assistance when next you play RollerCoin. RollerCoin Review, New Features. There is a new feature on RollerCoin, and that's the Miners Upgrade. You now have the ability to make your miners mine faster. Let's talk about the basic miners. They can be bought in parts and upgraded to increase their mining power. You can buy them with Roller Token or for free by completing quick games. How do I make money online with RollerCoin? This crypto game is easy to understand and play, and your earnings depend on your extraction of power. 1 can extract power by 1 buying miners to do the work, 2 playing mini games on the site. Games are a sure and exciting way to increase your extraction power. The extraction power gotten through playing games lasts only 24 hours, so it might be a better RollerCoin strategy to buy miners. When you're not playing by yourself, you're still earning money with miners. RollerCoin has also developed an app for free download. The game is quite captivating to play. It has a pixelated kind of feel about it. It starts in an old office and computer, and the higher you go in the game and start earning money, the more you can upgrade both your environment and character. You can decide to withdraw the money or invest in the purchase of miners so that you can have a steady flow of income. How do I withdraw money from RollerCoin? Withdrawing your money from RollerCoin is not as difficult as one might think. While you play, you earn Satoshi, or the smallest unit of Bitcoin. And just like in real life, the money goes into your wallet, and you can choose what you want to do with it. Suppose you want to withdraw it and send it to your Bitcoin wallet. The only thing to do is select the wallet and add a valid Bitcoin address. After the desired amount is entered, the transfer is done, and that's it. Is RollerCoin legit? It can be difficult to believe that you can earn money just by playing games that you do for free every day. So it's not at all surprising that certain people believe it's a scam. RollerCoin is a legit and fun way to earn money. You will always see the amount of Satoshi you have, and they can be transferred straight to your BTC wallet. The only thing to be cautious about is the use of bots, as they are not allowed. But not to worry, the detection system is improved daily to ensure you get your money. Why is RollerCoin so popular? RollerCoin review state that it is so popular among its users for playing games to mine Bitcoin, and the reason behind it is that it attracts users due to its lots of facilities, such as it offers RollerCoin crypto game guide to its users, which includes RollerCoin beginner's guide, RollerCoin Play to Earn a Game Guide, RollerCoin Game Tutorial, free download and so on. One can find RollerCoin tips and tricks to do crypto mining better and have fun with it. Here you will mine Bitcoin more in the same way as in real life. Also, the amount you will earn depends on your extraction power, basic miners ideas, and how to mine crypto and buy miners at the right time. How RollerCoin Bitcoin Mining Simulator work. There is no doubt that Bitcoin is the foremost choice of inventors for doing computer simulations. Crypto mining is a process where several computers are connected in a virtual data center that is utilized to resolve cryptographic puzzles. This process verifies transactions, and new coins are issued to start your earning with this game. In the RollerCoin mining game, you will play with an animated model, a replica of a real-life data simulation where users build their virtual center for collecting their data and mining Bitcoin with it. RollerCoin kept this simulation easy and in simplified form so that users could build their own data center and play it in a legit and fun way. Every 10 minutes, a Bitcoin block is allocated, and all active players get a chunk of it. Key features of RollerCoin. RollerCoin gameplay review indicates that it is popular among Bitcoin investors because it has several features that make it easy to use for its users. These features allow users to get maximum earnings by playing games. RollerCoin Review also has a new feature that is a miner's upgrade. Now you can make your miners mine faster. So let us look at the features of RollerCoin to get more knowledge about it. Free to play. This game is free for RollerCoin and other desired free games, which means you do not need to invest in starting your gaming account, the same as you need to do in casino games. With one free Bitcoin, you can test various free methods to earn cryptocurrency and make money, such as learning about cryptocurrency, specific privacy of focused browsers, investing in sustainable cryptocurrency projects, or playing games. User-friendly. RollerCoin reviews give us the idea that RollerCoin has an intuitive user interface that allows you to play RollerCoin games to earn Bitcoin easily and most simply. Convenient. It is very convenient for its users because it not only has a web version, but can also access from your smartphone directly if you are connected to the internet. Safety and security. RollerCoin uses advanced and secure encryption protocols to ensure its user payment methods and transferring of money online are fully protected. That means attackers will not be able to steal a user's account information and intercept traffic, and you can further invest your money after earning Bitcoin. Customer service. While earning money through games in RollerCoin or via investment, you may face some issues, so for resolving those issues, it offers you customer support service and a good support team that works 24/7 so that you can get an instant reply to your issues. Subscribe to our channel to keep up with new content. Your subscription, support, and feedback are much appreciated.